Hello, my darling Fumination. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. We are having a meet and greet on the 20th of July. Baby is going to be fab. We are having the most fabulous, the most wonderful summer splash Fumination meet and greet on the 20th of July here in London, United Kingdom, at the Novotel Hotel in Hammersmith. We are going to have goodie bags. I will be updating this event on a weekly basis just to include all of the brands that are going to be coming. We have special guests, my darlings. Oh my God. And the event is going to be from 1 to 6. And darlings, for the first time ever, you are going to have an exclusive to my brand. I am so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to be there. We are also going to have vendors. We have fashion. We have style. And for those of you that are coming from different countries, get in touch with Sabali Travel. They will book your flights for you. They will book your hotel rooms for you. They are the absolute best, and they booked for Fumination last year. We're going to take pictures together. We're going to have a fabulous lunch. We're going to have fabulous cake, fabulous drinks, music, dancing. There are going to be giveaways. There are going to be prizes to be won. There is so much going to be going on. It's really an extravaganza. It is the Fumination extravaganza, and all of the brands that I love for my skin, for my hair, Healthy Hair Studio, it's going to be there. The makeup, it's going to be there. All the sweets and all the treats. It's an extravaganza. It's going to be a day to remember. And yes, my darling, it's a family occasion, so the children can absolutely come. Absolutely come. We are going to have fabulous day, and it's going to be on a Sunday. On a Sunday, my darlings. So come along, come with the family, and be ready to be entertained. Get ready to be motivated. Get ready to be inspired with the special guests that we have. It is going to be like no other. And I did this especially for you, to show my gratitude for all that you have done for me all of these years. You're going to live for it. Tickets are below. It is going to be the best meet and greet that I have ever had. What am I wearing? I am wearing Tall Girl Slay. Tall Girl Slay is it. And I am loving you, baby. I am loving Tall Girl Slay. My discount code Fumi. She sent me this dress, and I said, do you not know that I am 56 years old? She said, yeah, I know, but you can still rock it. And yes, I did, from the video up. But what is so exciting about this dress, because it's backless, as you can see, my darlings, I live in love, is that I am wearing my backless bra. I am wearing my backless bra, my darlings. You are going to live and love it. You're going to what? You're going to live and love it. I am also going to come out with a disappearing back fat shapewear. You'll be able to hide your back fat in backless dresses. I know, I'm a genius. I know. You're going to love it. So why are we here, my darlings? I'll tell you why we are here. We are here because we are looking at some fashion for the past week. We have Cannes, we've got New York, we've got the girlies out here doing their thing. And first up is my birthday girl, Naomi Campbell. Naomi Campbell was at Cannes. She was looking absolutely fabulous. I said, baby girl, baby, you are giving it to me, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Her birthday is the 22nd of May, the exact day as my beautiful Quincy. So I never forget, because I'll never forget my niece's birthday. So I said, oh God, Naomi is 55 today. You look fabulous in this white. In this white dress. In this white dress, mama. Oh. Oh, stalled it. Okay, doesn't matter. In this white dress, darling, you look absolutely flawless. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. I love the earrings. I wasn't crazy about the wig. The wig is nice. I just wish that you had just come to me and said, sis, help me with the wig, and I would have picked it in front so that it had a much more natural hairline and you would have been good to go. But darlings, we are rocking our 50s. You are doing it, always have, and I live and love you. Happy birthday, Queen. Happy birthday, Naomi. You look gorgeous, gorgeous in white. Absolutely lived and loved you in this. Absolutely. You were absolutely what? Sensational. Then we had Jennifer Lopez. Another 50s girlie. She's going to be 56 too in the next 2 months. I loved her in this ensemble, and it was by New Arrivals, and I just thought the peach is gorgeous. You know how much I love feathers. It just gives me Hollywood glam, and the dress underneath is beautiful, simple with this beautiful jacket. I thought the makeup was lovely. I thought her hair was fabulous. Jennifer, we missed you at the Met Gala, but you are letting us know that you're still out here in these streets. You know, you had other commitments, so to speak. Let's call it that. And yeah, I completely and absolutely understand. Having said that, she came out with yet another fabulous white outfit, and it was slit right up to the hip. Did I care for it? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I was saying to myself, where is it going here? But I actually liked it. She was completely covered, and then she just had that slit, and she's got legs. She's got those toned legs, and that's what I am working on. I am toning. The exercises are coming. You're going to love them. But I thought, yeah, mama. These girls out here in their 50s are doing one or two things. Another 50s girlie, Viola Davis. Viola Davis was in Cannes, and she was wearing Max Mara shorts and a top, and I wanted. And your legs were adorable. Your shades, your red lipstick. You look cute, mama. You look cute with your sneakers. I would have come up there and given you a fabulous hugaloops. We also have Taraji, and she was wearing Oscar de la Renta. I loved the dress. I didn't care for the hair. I wanted something more with the hair. Beautiful figure, beautiful complexion. I think that the makeup was cute. It was just pink and yellow, very peachy, very young as a matter of fact. Her skin glowing, pink lip like moi. Is that Juvia's place? I don't know. But I didn't care for the hair. The hair looks as if she bleached it, it broke off, and she hasn't gone to the hairdressers to get it fixed. We had Chanel Iman and hubby. Here's the thing. The second I saw them in this outfit, I thought it was father and daughter. So until I looked closely. Then they had yet another picture on the red carpet, and she just looked divine. She looked absolutely divine, and he is trying. But that blue dress that she wore, I want it. Beautiful. Cannes has said, we're not doing nudity. Cover up, and we don't want to see anything see-through. And just look at the class of ladies that are coming onto the red carpet and looking fabulous. Chanel, you looked fabulous in this. I lived and loved you in that outfit, and I'm not going to let you go just yet, because I think you were in yet another outfit and you looked good there too. Aha, there we go. And she wore Broxan Banco. Beautiful, smiley face, happy. She's in love. She's loving her life, and that's all that really counts. When you are happy, really truly happy, I find that with myself too. When I'm happy and I'm sitting with Adrian and I'm sitting with Ula and we're just, you know, playing around together, I am so grateful. I am just so grateful. And that's where I think Chanel is. Good on you, mama. Good on you. We're going to stick with Cannes for a hot minute, because we also had Rawada Mohammed. Beautiful. Beautiful dress. I loved it. I loved all of the buttons in the back. I loved how you covered that angelic face of yours. This dress was life. I would wear it. I would wear it every single day. It was beautiful. Again, class, elegance. It just makes everybody comfortable. Do you know that? Everybody is comfortable when you are dressed decently. I have to call it for what it is. 110%. Rihanna, expecting beautiful Rihanna. And Rihanna wasn't a liar. I think I can comfortably say she's the only chick I know that does pregnancy completely different from everybody else. I think she says, I'm not wearing maternity wear. I'm just going to wear what I feel like. And she looked beautiful in this gorgeous blue. You know how I love blue. And Rocky is there loving on her, kissing her, hugging her. He's just so happy to be free. He's happy to be free. He's happy to be a dad. Again, I think they're having a girl. I just lived and loved. Mary J. The Mary J that I know from the 90s was on stage in the For My Fans tour looking fabulous in blue. She wore a feather coat, she wore her boots, and that blonde, gorgeous hair just sent her a blazing and alive. I lived and I loved. You lived what? I lived and I loved. Ryan Destiny Skipperali. Oh, chocolate on chocolate is what you call chocolatey. Beautiful. Fabuloso in every way, shape and form. I also loved this dress, and it was worn by Cynthia Nixon, and the dress was Richard Quinn. Gorgeous, flowy, feathery, mint green, all of the accents that I love. I thought she looked apropos. It was just gentle and so breezy in every way. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Absolutely what? Absolutely gorgeous. Another young lady that we had out here in the streets did Stone, and she was Stefan Rowland. Akuma Matana. It also gave me Iman vibes. And I think because Iman wore something like this to the Met Gala, and all of this feather just gave me life. And I was like, yes, I would rock it. And it's got like little detail in the front and then completely backless on both sides and backless in the back. Yes, my darlings, you are giving me love and live and love. Coco Rochard, and she wore Ainut Razvan, and it was trying to give me shirts, the color of shirts. She could have worn this to the Met Gala, and I think it was okay. It was different. It was edgy. The long sleeve covering the hands might have been difficult for her to grab a drink, but I thought it was cute-ish. Cute-ish, not all the way, but cute-ish. It kind of sort of worked, and that's all I gotta say about that. Eva Longoria was wearing Tamara Ralph, and it was giving me Niger Couture because of the strap in the back, cinched in waist. It was gorgeous, and she looked gorgeous. She's always on the Cannes red carpet because I think she's a L'Oreal representative, I think. We also had Joan Smalls, and she was wearing Jean-Paul Gaultier. Very pretty. The simplicity of it was fire. I lived and I loved it. We had Halle Berry. Halle Berry wore a black and white ensemble that I wasn't crazy about, but she had to change last minute because Cannes had insisted that they didn't want long trains, that they didn't want anything see-through. Was that a good or bad thing for Halle Berry after the Met Gala? I don't know. Maybe it was. So she wore this black and white ensemble that was very covered up in front, but it had personality in the back. So I'm going to give her a pass. I'm going to give her a pass because she had to do it last minute. Naomi Campbell also wore a beautiful outfit, again in Cannes. It was black tulle ball gown with a gold embellished corset bodice. Naomi wore a natural wig, and I think, Mama, you look gorgeous. You look gorgeous, Naomi. You will always be that gorgeous woman. But I just find that my ultimate gorgeousness really came when I started to wear my natural hair. I love you. I live for you. I think the dress is nice and you're trying new things. Naomi, do you have a man in the corner somewhere? Why are you giving me I got a man, I'm happy vibes? Oh, well, good for you. I'm happy if you're happy, and if he's good to you, then I don't have to come after him. And then last but not least, my darlings, we have the beautiful Dakota Johnson, and she wore the most beautiful Gucci dress. I looked at this, and when it was on the hanger, I didn't think too much of it. Really didn't think too much of it until she wore it. And I said, this, my darlings, is a masterpiece of a dress. I love movement. I love texture. I love tassels. I love sparkly, glittery things. I'm a girl. And this was nothing short of a sensational dress. To me, this was the best dressed. This was the best dressed from the red carpet across the globe for this week. And that is it, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comment section if you love stuff like this. And I cannot wait to see you at the meet and greet in July. And I will see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. And thank you, tall girl sleeve, for the tall girlies. But some of you were saying that, oh, is it only for the tall girlies? Not only for the tall girlies, it's for all girlies. But I just love her collection, and I love the pieces that I have from hers. Okay, that's it. Mwah. All of my love.